dude? That SVT Garage t-shirt? Dude, that's sweet. You got one on too?
I like it.
You're like
Comfortable. Very durable.
You guys can get your shirts too at svtgarage.com. I got the patriotic one on today. Those guys are rocking the OG. Check out the website, svtgarage.com. Order yourself a shirt and rock the gear. But we got no more time to waste. We gotta get back to work. Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
Ryan.
It's SVT Garage. Project Redfire is on the lift, and it's on the lift for some good reasons. Ryan, my dude, smoked the clutch.
Yeah, this Ram power grip. Didn't like the Whipple.
Nah.
This thing's cooked.
Great for an Eaton car, but a 276 upper. Not so much for a 2.3 Whipple with a 4-pound lower. Did you get that on there? So let's flip this around, take a look at what we got, because we have to give a huge shout out to SPEC for today's video as well. They hooked us up with this beautiful clutch, Stage 3 Plus, correct? Mm-hmm. And we got everything needed to install this. We got the clutch, the flywheel, pilot bearing, the throwout bearing.
Got the 26 spine put in. I installed that.
And it does have a fresh 26 spline on there, times about, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
So we're letting that plate dry. Moving forward into that, we got that out. We cleared our space, letting that dry, and then we are installing this clutch that, again, SPEC had hooked us up with. So without further ado, let's get this in the car, and we're using everything again that they supplied us with.
Yep.
We didn't.
Generally, we'll install a Ford Racing throwout bearing, but since this is my car and they hooked us up with this, I'm going to put their throwout bearing in, and let's see how it lasts. Historically, aftermarket throwout bearings with aftermarket clutches suck and they don't last. So we'll see.
We're going to put it through its paces.
We're going to put it through its paces and
see how this thing holds up. So again, huge shout out to SPEC for again doing that for us. This is a really nice piece, and we're excited to use this clutch. And to be honest with you, man, we've been, the last 3 or 4 cars we've done, we've been using SPEC.
Yeah.
So, again, they've been working out for us, and we're excited to get this in our back in Ryan's car. You ready, dude?
Yep.
All right,
flywheel off.
Let's get to work. What are you torquing those down to?
90.
90 on those bolts, guys. So flywheel's in. We got the red thread locker on there, and they're torqued down to 90. All right, we have the clutch installed, and those last bolts you see going around that blue plate there were torqued down to 60. So 90 and then 60 on these outside ones. Just giving her a final wipe down. And she's installed, ladies and gentlemen.
Get the bell housing back in. Starter back and get the trans in.
Yep. Now, guys, we did have an issue with that starter bolt on top because the long tubes really pose a dilemma with that. So if you're going to be doing this and you got long tubes,
good luck.
Good luck. Be prepared. It was a camera. We snaked the camera in there, some extensions, some swivels, and we eventually got it out. But just an FYI, up in here, that top starter bolt is a giant pain in the butt, so be prepared for that. We're gonna go ahead and get that bell housing in and wrap up this clutch install on Ryan's Redfire. Guys, comment below too. Ryan is up in the air on the car he wants to take to Mustangs at Daytona. If you guys are going, which one do you want to see? Silver Bullet here, or sorry, Silver Phoenix, or Project Redfire?
Red Flash.
Red Flash.
red flash is going.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna have some competition?
I don't know. Is this really competition for your car?
Nah, yeah, this car's beautiful, dude. I like this car. It's a very well put together car, man. Quick little update on what we got. Bell housing's in. It's tight and good and tight, right? G&T?
Yep.
What we're doing now is going to get the transmission installed, and then we're going to work on that starter. So, coming along nicely. Getting this thing back on the road. And this thing's completely tuned, right?
Yeah, it's done.
It's all tuned, so after this, man, she's ready to rip.
We'll see. I might throw a 6 pound lower.
6 now, dude. Just leave her alone.
It's only at 17 pounds.
That's a good number, though, man.
Problem is, the other car makes 860 horsepower, so
yeah,
this thing still feels slow, even making probably 620.
I know, but I think you just leave it again where it's at.
You just don't want me to have 2 cars faster than yours.
Bro, you saw what happened at the track.
You got beat.
I was catching up to you, baby. We ran out of road.
Just wait.
We ran out. Let's wait. I'm putting
Wait for the cams, boy.
We're putting some pulley sauce in my car too. So we might have to rerun you.
Yeah, you're gonna need it.
Oh, you're gonna need those cams.
They're coming.
I already got cams, baby.
Cams are coming.
TWS, Todd Warren Spec.
Cool. All right.
All right, let's get this moving. All right, guys, Redfire's done. It's back on the road. Test drive was fine.
Feels good.
It was good.
Yeah.
Let's flip this around. Let's talk about it and see what we got. And kind of, again, we got to give a really huge shout out to SPEC for this one.
All right. So again, want to just say thanks to SPEC for the SPEC 3 with the steel flywheel. So we got the whole setup, pilot bearing, throwout bearing. It's all installed. Installation went pretty good. Everything went in smooth. Clutch feels great. So I'm still on stock cable, stock quadrant, stock adjuster on this car. I'm a big fan of if you can leave that stuff intact, do it.
Yep.
Had the 26 spline input shaft put in today, and then fresh fluid, just Dex 3, Valvoline. Tightened the exhaust, made sure we didn't have any exhaust leaks. Everything's back in, back together. Car runs good. So right now it's probably making 620, 630 wheel.
Yep.
So with this clutch, it's rated for 875. It should be good for a long time.
Yeah. And again, that clutch, the ram was smoked.
Cooked.
So SPEC,
Yep.
thank you guys. But we also have to give a shout out to FordMuscle.com again for doing this build with us as well. You guys can go to that website, FordMuscle.com, and go check out this build on their website. They'll have a whole article written up on it. So it was a really awesome experience. I mean, getting in with a name like SPEC and again, Ford Muscle, we appreciate you guys. And you guys know we love these cars and these builds and getting it back on the road. Ryan, my dude.
I think this thing's pretty much done.
I mean, you got a strong clutch in there. You got the Whipple back on this thing. That's been repaired.
Yeah.
You added, what, 6 more pounds of boost with the lower pulley and upper pulley? This thing is...
FTBR and call it good.
Oh, hey, I got to get my FTBR in first.
Yeah,
right?
this isn't getting it for a little bit.
Yeah. So. But as always, guys, it's Chris.
Ryan.
It's your boys here at SVT Garage. Stay tuned. We got a lot of awesome stuff coming down the pipeline, as we always say. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you guys here in a little bit.